Hey everyone, Lance Steers here to talk to you today about Club Cash Fund. Oh my gosh, you know what? I get so excited every time I make these videos because I just love this company and I love sharing it with people like you. So today I'm just here to talk about how to get started with Club Cash Fund. How can we help you make money in Club Cash Fund? Those are the two main questions I get asked all the time. So with that being said, let's get started. Thanks for tuning in. First and foremost, just to get this out of the way, if this video helps you at all, please like this video. It sure does help me out. Subscribe to my video as well. I would be very grateful for that. It sure does help me out. With that being said, let's get started. By going to my back office. Now, there's just a few things here I want to talk about. I'm not going to go into detail about the back office because my last video covered that, and if you want to see that video, I will put a link to that video in the description below this one. All I want to really talk about here in the back office right now are two things. The first thing is the home page rotator. Now, there are two different rotators in the back office. The home page rotator is for basic members only, and then there is a pro rotator. This video is not to discuss pro. We will go into that detail a little bit later on another video. But as a basic member, by basic I mean that you just pay your one-time fee and you become a basic member. Every basic member's link is automatically put into your homepage rotator. Now, over time, I think this reset back in September, you can see that I've had 118 hits, meaning clicks on my link. I've had 5 leads over it, 4 kit requests, and as of yet, 0 members have signed up. That doesn't mean anything to me because some people will sign up months and months after actually requesting their free kit. So don't even pay attention to that. Now, the second thing I want to show you is a kind of proof of my commission. I cannot click on sales because that is going to compromise security. There's names and addresses everywhere. So before I made this video, I kind of done a screenshot right here so I could color everything out that I'm not compromising security with. Now, as you can see here, I have made $120 here total, and most of that has came in the month of February. Usually what I do is I open my envelopes and then I put all my envelopes right into my little pouch here. So let's, well, it was already unzipped. So let's open this, see what's in here, and see if it matches. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Hey, look at that, $120. So that is how much I have made pretty much just the month of February. And we can show you how to make this too. So let's get started now with how can we ensure. Okay, I'm gonna answer the questions here about how to get started with CCF. Step 1 is to grab the link with whoever is sharing this video with you. You grab their link and you click on it and you request a free kit. Once you click on their link, there'll be a form that you fill out. You fill that out and that will request your free kit. Okay. You need that free kit to get started. Step 2 is to receive your kit. Look it over. Decide if this business is right for you. This business might not be right for everybody, and we understand that. Here at Club Cash Fund, we do not pressure anybody to join. We just hope that you will see the awesome potential of Club Cash Fund and decide to join our team yourself. Now, as you notice right here in parentheses, I put, if you want to get started without waiting for your free kit, this is possible. I won't go into detail. All I'll say about that is you need to request that free kit, because once your kit is mailed, you will receive an identification number that is unique to you. And really all you need to get started is that identification number. So if you don't want to wait for your kit, and you want to kind of speed up the process a little bit, get with whoever is sharing this video. Get with whoever gave you their link. Ask them how that works, and we will get you started. Step 3 is not a necessary step, but if you want to hear some member success stories, you can call this 24-hour toll-free number right here. There's a lot of member success stories on there, and you can see how others are also becoming successful. Step 4 is, if you decide you do want to become a CCF member, then you simply just mail in your one-time payment in the self-addressed stamped envelope that comes into your kit, and you can mail in either cash or a money order. Once John at Club Cash Fund receives it, he will build you a website kind of like the one that you just seen, and boom, you are in to the greatest business ever. Now some people ask me, well, how can I make the same kind of money you made? You just showed me payment proof of $120. How do I do that? Well, first of all, guys, I have to put a disclaimer in here. I'm required to do that. There is no guarantee that you will make money using Club Cash Fund. Why do I have to say that? Well, because just like any other online business, if you sign up and you pay your money but you don't do anything, how can you actually expect to make money? So you have to do the work. I am constantly advertising my link mostly on free services. We can show you how to do that too, because it is called the power of duplication. What do I mean by that? I mean that since my team and I are successful at Club Cash Fund, we teach you how we are making money, and in turn you duplicate that process. Okay, simple. Just watch and learn basically is all that is. And then after that, you teach others the same thing. It is called the power of duplication. Other than that, you know what? There's really not a lot much more I can talk about on this video. I'm trying to make it as short as possible because I know no one wants to watch a long video. If you have any questions, please get with the person who is sharing this video with you, and we will answer all of the questions you want. Other than that, you know what? Thank God for Club Cash Fund. I have made good money, and I have had a lot of fun doing it. There's nothing better than grabbing an envelope out of the mailbox, opening up to find cash. So with that being said, guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a wonderful day.